TEM defines 5 categories of errors: intentional non-compliance error, willful deviation from regulations and/or operator procedures, procedural error, deviation in the execution of regulations and/or operator procedures. The intention is correct, but the execution is flawed. This also includes errors where the crew forgot to do something. Communication error, miscommunication, misinterpretation, or failure to communicate pertinent information within the flight crew or between the flight crew and an external agent, for example, ATC or ground operations. Proficiency error, lack of knowledge or psychomotor, stick and rudder skills. Operational decision error, a decision-making error that is not standardized by regulations or operator procedures and, as such, unnecessarily compromises safety. In order to be categorized as a decision error, at least one of 3 conditions must have existed. First, the crew had more conservative options within operational reason and decided not to take them. The second condition is the decision was not verbalized and therefore not shared between crew members. The last condition is the crew had time but did not use it effectively to evaluate the decision. If any of these conditions occurred, then it is considered a decision error in the TEM framework. An example would include a crew's decision to fly through known wind shear on an approach instead of going around. If the crew is unable to avoid, trap, or mitigate the error, that is, unmanaged errors, the consequential outcome may lead to an undesired aircraft state. Typical situations that define an undesired aircraft state are incorrect aircraft configurations, unstable approaches, and vertical, lateral, or speed deviation.